Oakland Goes Y'all. Avalanche ATV pop-ups.
F.A.B Davis, droop-e did it. Sound like Caesar and his 8 homies holding a mob meeting right in the middle of my trunk. Gotta be able to read lips when you ride by, 'cause you can't hear nothing. But when you see that little nigga on the corner moving his mouth, just understand that nigga said that. Should be knocking like a Jehovah's Witness on a Saturday when they be waking you up in the morning with a watchtower paper and that. Make you want to hit Kurt Franklin and tell him to come to the base so he can go meet up with D-Lo so they can do a remix of that stomp. Speakers blapping, vibrating like a pocket rocket on a pretty girl pussy. 15s knocking, setting car alarms off, damn near breaking windows like the bippers buy cookies. House chosen. Say my sound system sound nice. Hey, baby, come check it out, little mama in the brown tights. Hella thick, make you debate if her booty real or not. Baby, we could make a movie still. When I pull up slapping this on my mama, bruh, I'm about to get a ticket. Holding up traffic in the middle of the street, trying to holler at this red bone freak like, when we gon' kick it? Bruh, if you ride with me, don't even talk to me, I can't hear you, just text it. Lapping, hella hard, driving reckless. Goddamn, bruh, I just missed the exit. Dumb tremendo, slap off the window. Go deep in the Reno, hotboxing endo. Dice game down the street, and what they hit for? This ain't no regular drink, you gotta sip slow. Sprite and the syrup mix look like Pepto-Bismol. Paintballing and Gizmo. Shorty sucked it all out of me, where my kids go? She a gremlin, shout out to Gizmo. My little partner was locked up with my big homie, he said, bruh, man, how long you been down? He said, about 10 years. He said, what you in for? Keeping it solid as a rock, not dropping info. I ain't do it, took the rap for one of my kinfo. Been down 10 though, got about 10 more. Got action at coming home next summer with the right Venmo. Knocked a bimbo, she gave me 10, bro. Real hustler, made 100 bands in a pen, bro. When I pull up slapping this on my mama, bro, I'm about to get a ticket. Holding up traffic in the middle of the street, trying to holler at this red bone freak like, when we gon' kick it? Bruh, if you ride with me, don't even talk to me, I can't hear you, just text it. Lapping, hella hard, driving reckless. Goddamn, bro, I just missed the exit. You held up, that nigga icy cut. OG status now, remember when I was just little Ivy. Blurred grade, checking my head, a Nike cut. Your girl gave me head, I can't remember the night we fucked, but she been texting ever since saying pipe me up. Choking her and slapping her, she keeps saying bite me up. I left hickeys on her, she told her son it was a curling iron. He responded, for real mom? Shot her a bag so she can go and cop design. Showed her son her Balenciagas, he said, them real mom? Turned her up, turned her out. She wanna sleep with my dick in her mouth. Super thick, like she from down south. Showed her some beads and she pulled her tits out. Mardi Gras, naughty ma. All day I dream about sex, I-D-da. When I pull up slapping this on my mama, bruh, I'm about to get a ticket. Holding up traffic in the middle of the street, trying to holler at this red bone freak like, when we gon' kick it? Bruh, if you ride with me, don't even talk to me, I can't hear you, just text it. Lapping, hella hard, driving reckless. Goddamn, bruh, I just missed the exit. Damn! Bruh, I can't hear nothing, bruh. Oh my mama, bruh, it's not too hard, bruh. I swear to God, bruh. Damn, bruh. Bruh, I got about 37 tickets, bruh. How many ever number that is, bruh? This slapping hella hard, though. Nigga, droop-e did it. F.A.B Davis. F.A.B Davis, droop-e did it. Sound like Caesar and his 8 homies holding a mob meeting right in the middle of my trunk. Gotta be able to read lips when you ride by, 'cause you can't hear nothing. But when you see that little nigga on the corner moving his mouth, just understand that nigga said that. Should be knocking like a Jehovah's Witness on a Saturday when they be waking you up in the morning with a watchtower paper and that. Make you want to hit Kurt Franklin and tell him to come to the base so he can go meet up with D-Lo so they can do a remix of that stomp. Speakers blapping, vibrating like a pocket rocket on a pretty girl pussy. 15s knocking, setting car alarms off, damn near breaking windows like the bippers buy cookies. House chosen. Say my sound system sound nice. Hey, baby, come check it out, little mama in the brown tights. Hella thick, make you debate if her booty real or not. Baby, we could make a movie still. When I pull up slapping this on my mama, bruh, I'm about to get a ticket. Holding up traffic in the middle of the street, trying to holler at this red bone freak like, when we gon' kick it? Bruh, if you ride with me, don't even talk to me, I can't hear you, just text it. Lapping, hella hard, driving reckless. Goddamn, bruh, I just missed the exit. Dumb tremendo, slap off the window. Go deep in the Reno, hotboxing endo. Dice game down the street, young, what they hit for? This ain't no regular drink, you gotta sip slow. The Sprite and the syrup mix look like Pepto-Bismol. Paintballing and Gizmo. Shorty sucked